On this episode of Naughty Scientists Dabbling with Horrors Beyond Our Comprehension, we have brains, butterflies and simulation. We have smashing things together harder than we've ever smashed them before, and also giving medicine to elephants and seeing what happens. One of the earliest experiments of man was smashing two rocks together and seeing what happens. Well, we've progressed a little bit from there, and we now have protons smashed into other protons as fast as we can and seeing what happens.
Let us check the data.
And this is essentially what the Large Hadron Collider is. We built a big old camera and a big old rocket to fire protons into each other and see what happens. And there's a few sketchy things that could have happened that make you question who gave the lunatics all this funding. First of all, the easy one to understand is it might create a black hole. Oops. But that was a low probability and it would probably dissipate and it wouldn't be too scary. It'd be probably a little smaller. However, the maths also suggested that a second horror could appear, and that is something called strange matter. Strange matter, ooh. What strange matter is a very, very, very stable form of matter that almost doesn't exist. Within the atom, you have protons and neutrons, and they're made up of something smaller called quarks. They don't realize that there's a potential option to be even more stable and be neutral. And that's what a strange quark is. It's found in the center of neutron stars, allegedly. Strange matter is so stable that if it comes in contact with anything else, those other things will then suddenly remember, oh yeah, it's much better to be in this strange matter. It's much more stable. And so they will quickly turn into strange matter. And so what the Large Hadron Collider could have done is created a single particle of strange matter that then just touches anything else. And then suddenly the whole world slowly dissolves into strange matter and just condenses and implodes, and there would be nothing we could do about it. Oops. And it really makes you think, who was in charge of saying, yeah, go on, we'll roll the die for that one. We'll see what happens. Who? I don't know, but it really makes you question who gave the lunatics all the funding. On a similar note, some of you may have seen the film Oppenheimer. Or just know about the journey of the atomic bomb. Well, before they detonated it for the first time, they did some calculations and they realized, oh, there's about a 20% chance that we might ignite and set ablaze the entirety of the atmosphere and just burn the Earth. And someone thought, yeah, go on, I like those odds. It'll probably be all right. Let's roll the die with this one. Turned out to be fine. But who gave them permission to make that choice for us? It's ridiculous. Some scientists, naughty scientists, dabbling in horrors beyond our comprehension, have found a way to take human brain cells, grow them, and then program them to think that they're a butterfly within a video game.
What makes this butterfly special is that it's controlled by a lab-grown mini human brain, remotely connected over the internet.
We don't do that here.
Yeah, let me say that again. They have taken human brain cells and programmed them to think that they're a butterfly in a video game. What are we doing?
Stop it. Get some help.
So now you have this creature that is human, that is trapped within a video game that thinks it's a butterfly.
Why?
I promise to give you the elephant story. Tusko great name by the way, was the largest elephant in captivity at the time. And naughty scientists dabbling with horrors beyond our comprehension wondered what would happen if they gave it some LSD. And so they injected it with 250 milligrams of LSD. And they wrote down that they wanted to see if it induced a testosterone-fueled rage or something like that. Wait, what did I just say? 250 milligrams. To put this in perspective, that's about 3,000 times the dose that you should give. What ended up happening is that the elephant had the greatest panic attack that a creature has ever had before. The happy ending to that story is the elephant didn't do so well. There are many other naughty scientists dabbling with horrors beyond our comprehension, and AI is one of them. Because this is an alien that they're creating that could, our current predictions, have a 5% chance of ending us all.
Never tell me the odds.
And yet, there is no legislation and no governance to say, hang on a second, should we slow down? Should we monitor this? Should we just work out what on earth we're doing with this thing and what this thing is? But nah, let's roll the die, let's speed ahead. Silly naughty scientists.